Hello everyone, I am Basavajeshwari Patel, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today we are going to discuss on the topic traditional project management roles. So learning outcomes of this is students will come to know about the traditional project management roles. So the contents of this is introduction, project manager, functional manager, roles of the functional manager relationship with the project manager, example of the functional managers, facilitator, key roles and responsibilities of a facilitator. So before we proceed for the section, so let us recall on the project management. Project management is dealing with the project and how the all the processes, planning, execution, termination of all the project events are managed. So further we'll proceed on the introduction to traditional project management roles. Traditional project management roles are typically structured to ensure the project is completed on time, within the budget, and according to the specified scope. Here are the key roles commonly found in traditional project management. First one, project manager. Second one, functional manager. Third one is facilitator. So we'll deal with project manager. So there are varieties of project manager task. So first one will go with the project manager. Primary role of the project manager is to oversee the entire project, ensuring it stays on the track with the timelines, budget and the scope. The responsibility of the project manager are planning, organizing, securing resources, leading the team, monitoring the progress, and managing the risk and even the stakeholders. The project manager is the central figure in the project who makes key discussions or the decisions and communicates with the stakeholders. Second one is the project sponsor. The project sponsor's key role or the primary role is a senior executive who provides overall directions and financial support for the project. The responsibilities are ensures the project aligns with the organizational goals, approves project goals and deliverables, and resolves high level issues or roadblocks. The sponsor champions the project at the executive level. Project manager also include team members. So primary role of the team members is individuals responsible for executing the task and the activities within the project. So the main responsibilities of the team members are each team member has to do the specific task, include the researchers, design, development, testing or other aspects of the project. They report progress to the project manager. Next one is the fourth one, stakeholders. The stakeholders are the individuals or the groups affected by the project or who have an interest in its outcome. The main responsibilities of the stakeholders is stakeholders provide input, approve deliverables and may also provide resources or support. They can include customers, clients, end users. They also include regulatory bodies and many more. So fifth one is the project controller. The project controllers manages the financial aspects of the project, ensuring it stays with the budget. And the responsibilities are tracks the cost, prepare financial reports and forecasts future financial needs. Works closely with the project manager to manage budgets and financial resources. Next, sixth one is the project scheduler. Project scheduler's primary role is to focus on developing, maintaining and updating the project schedule. The key responsibilities of the project schedulers are creates the project timeline, ensuring that the tasks are completed on time and manages dependencies and resources allocation to keep the project on track. Project manager, also this management includes quality assurance manager. The main key role of this is ensures that project deliverables meet the specified quality and the standards. Their responsibility is develops the quality control plan, monitoring the quality metrics, conduct testing, and oversees compliance with the standards to ensure the project outcomes meets the desired quality. Next one is the risk manager. Their primary role is to identify and mitigate the potential risk throughout the project lifecycle, and responsibilities are develop the risk management plans, monitors for new risk, and implement strategies to minimize negative impacts on the project. Next, project manager helps procurement of the manager. So their role is manages the acquisition of the resources, goods, and services required for the project. Their responsibility oversees the contracts, vendor selection, and negotiations, ensures that all the purchased items or services meet project requirements and are delivered on time. The next main key component is functional manager in the traditional project management. Functional manager is a key role in traditional project management, especially within the organization that follow a functional structure. This individual manages a specific department or functions within the organizations, such as marketing, finances, and engineering, like IT. Functional managers are responsible for overseeing the specialized team within the third department and ensuring that resources are effectively allocated to meet both departmental and project needs. They play an important role in making sure the specialized expertise and resources of their department are effectively applied to the project. They ensure that the team is working effectively and help the project manager navigate any departmental challenges that arise during the project lifecycle. The roles of the project functional manager are managing the department priorities. Functional managers balance the needs of the project within the broader goals and priorities of their department. They ensure their team work aligned with both the departmental objectives and the overall goals of the organization. They do the reporting, the provides regular updates to the project manager and upper management on the progress of their department's contribution to the project. They also help to ensure that issues within the functional area are like delays, resource constraints, or technical challenges are communicated effectively. Third role is they are for used for conflict resolution. Functional managers, where there are conflicts between the project and prioritize and departmental goals, function they help or they play a key role in the negotiating solutions and making trade-offs. They are functional managers are also helpful for resource allocation, provide team members with the necessary resources like personally tools, equipments, and ensures that they are available for the project when needed. They manage the scheduling and allocation of the resources across the multiple projects or tasks. They also help in the team development and supervision. They are responsible for managing the day-to-day operations of the team members within their functional area, includes hiring, training, mentoring, and evaluating the staff performance. And they ensure technical expertise. Functional managers maintain a high level of technical expertise in their specific area. They provide guidance and support for the project manager and team members within the specialized knowledge or technical input is required. Functional manager relationship with the project manager, both go in hand. So project manager mainly focuses on the overall success of the project, managing timelines, risk, and cross functional coordination, whereas functional manager focuses on ensuring that the specific department resources are available and functional effectively to support the project. So we can give an example of functional manager, like first sales functional manager, who are like for their work in the retail industries, like Their responsible is for the sales team, setting sales target, developing sales strategies, and training sales staff. They or the employees functional sales functional manager ensures that the sales representatives are equipped with the tools and knowledge to close deals effectively while maintaining the customer satisfaction. Their skills are skill sales management, negotiation, team leadership, CRM systems like Salesforce, and performance tracking. So another example for legal functional manager industry working is legal or corporate. Their responsibility is manage the legal department, providing legal consults on contracts, intellectual property, litigations, and regular compliance. Or the sales functional manager or legal functional manager ensures the company adheres to the legal requirement while minimizing the legal risk. Their skills are like legal expertise, contract management, risk assessment, and experience with the corporate law. So the third term in the management is facilitator. Facilitator is someone who helps guide a group or team through a process, ensuring that it runs smoothly and efficiently. While facilitators are not typically responsible for decision making, they are experts in managing group dynamics, fostering collaboration, and ensuring that everyone is heard during the meetings or the discussions. Facilitators, whether in meetings, workshops, or conflicts resolution settings, they help ensure that discussions are productive, inclusive, and lead to a meaningful outcomes. The key roles and responsibilities of facilitators are guiding discussions, managing group dynamics. Guiding discussions like ensures that the discussions stay on track within the scope. They help steer the conversation towards the relevant topics while avoiding the digressions or conflicts. They encourage participation from all the members, creating safe space for everyone to contribute. Managing group dynamics. Facilitators observe group dynamics and interviews within necessary to manage conflicts, encourage quieter members to speak up, ensure dominant voices don't empower others. So, clarifying and summarizing the information, setting ground rules, creating a positive environment are some of the key roles and responsibilities of the facilitators. They also help in promoting problem solving, ensuring timelines. So, so promoting problem solving may include collaborative environment. Facilitators help the group identify problems, brainstorm solutions, and analyze potential options. They also ensure timeliness. Facilitators are responsible for managing the time during meetings or workshops, ensuring that the group stays on schedule and covers all the necessary topics. So the references for this session are like they are referred from the book called as Contemporary Project Management, written by Tipoti Klopperberg, Vittal Ananthamula, and Wilsey. So you can also refer this website. Special thanks to the Walchand Institute of Technology in Solapur. Thank you.